But again,
This is my first time walking down with my slippers on.
look at this view, y'all. Don't worry, I got her. She shall not
Left my slippers down below.
fall. Wait, y'all gotta see
I
this.
mean, my sneakers.
Y'all gotta see this. Look. This is where we gotta walk down. We gotta go all the way around. But again, it's worth it because of the view. And we get to exercise. So, come on with us. Yeah, if y'all thought we was high up,
That's another road.
gotta go up that road to go to the other rooms. High up. See the mountains over the beach back there? And we was up there. So we just walked down from. I can't believe how early it is. I would not be
What
up
time
this
is it?
early. It is 8:27.
So I woke up at like 4.
So I was up at like 5, like I told y'all.
I was up at like 4. I couldn't go back to sleep, so I was watching Netflix. And then he woke up, and then I went to sleep. Yeah.
I turned the TV off.
It was pitch black.
I told her, I was like, hey man, I'm about to head out.
But we was gonna go to sleep at the same time.
Yes,
You turned off the TV and I turned off my phone. I put
at
my
the
phone
same
down
time.
and
At the same
lights
time.
out.
And I turned, I said, hey, I'm about to head out. And like 2 minutes later, I was out of there.
I think I went to sleep fast too.
I was out of there. All right, y'all. So this is my breakfast. This is how it comes.
What is it?
This is bakes and saltfish
With
with eggs, cucumber, and a tomato. This is a local breakfast. People from the land.
Nah, that fly disrespectful.
And this is her breakfast.
same thing.
Same
no
thing.
eggs.
No eggs. Yeah, we just finished eating breakfast. It was good. Wasn't better than my mother's breakfast, but she don't be making breakfast like that anymore. She forgot her roots. So, right now we're just walking to go to the bank and then to the beach. So, come on with us, man. Come on with us. See the mountains in the distance, but that's not even like right there. And right there, that's not even a half of it. You gotta wait till you see the ones all the way in the back over there. There's a volcano on the island. I don't think it's active. Y'all, there be crabs here. Look, they running away, but see one. They be all right here. One just went into this hole right there. This hole. They be all, oh, see one over there? It's going in the hole. It's a young legend right here, y'all.
I didn't even do anything. I just said good morning. Why don't you put your glasses on so you don't your eyeballs?
Hopefully the bank not crowded, y'all. I don't want to be standing in no long line. I feel like I'm already late to the beach. Morning.
Morning. I'll see you later.
I feel like I'm already late to the beach. I was up since 5, man. I should have been at the beach since 5:30.
I was up at 6.
You still late. Okay? Still late. Alright, y'all. So now we are in the mall. It's still early, so not a lot of people here. Yeah, it's not open yet.
So that way, if I go in the water, I'm gonna take them off.
Nope. You keep them on if you go in the water. Go up there. Oh, the fluid.
They go fit good.
So you know what? Go with the black because the pink one, your toes are so much closer to the front.
It look crazy.
It don't look crazy. It just, because it's open toe, you don't want to kick a rock. Or you could get some of these.
I would not wear that.
She hating y'all. Those is flea. She trying to be like me.
If they have my size in these ones, no, I'm not good.
Oh yeah, get the black ones.
So we're waiting to get a smoothie, and then we're gonna head to the beach with our fresh kicks. You got your fresh kicks?
Wish I've been had
What's
these.
your
My
first-
style is immaculate. You hear me? Immaculate.
It's all right.
I had these last time you came.
I'll muffin again. He has his drink and he's not drinking it, but he's steady coughing. So I just ordered my smoothie. I got the soursop and sea moss mix smoothie with non-dairy milk, only because I don't want my stomach to hurt at the beach. I think the worst place for your stomach to hurt is the beach.
Away from me.
The worst place for your stomach to hurt is on the beach. So I don't want no milk, just in case. You know, to be on the safe side. And the beach is not a place for that. Put away the money.
We're unwrapping this. I'm opening the box, like the lady in with the tribe commercial.
Thank you.
Opening the box.
Let's see if it's as good as before. These paper straws, I cannot. I'm sorry. See, I save the environment, but they get soggy so quickly.
We say no.
Alright, y'all. The verdict is, it's good. Last time we used milk, it was milk used. This time we don't have milk. But the sea mosses and the sea moss, you're tasting it. Like, you're drinking and chewing. And we didn't have to do that before. It could use another blend. Other than that, it tastes fresh.
Alright, y'all, so now on the way to the. Hold on, let me taste this.
It's fresh though.
It tastes like what it is.
What it is.
My mom already had her mind made up that someone else was gonna make it. So now that someone else made it, she's frustrated.
I'm not supposed to be speaking on pieces, you know.
You're right.
Watch your step.
Alright, y'all. To the beach we go. Now y'all see the mountains in the back, and there's houses on top of those mountains too. But like I said, right now we're on our way to the beach. So the mall is right there. The orange Spice Isle Mall right there, and the beach is literally right through there. We're trekking along, y'all. It's not a long walk at all.
You going to buy umbrellas?
We are about to enter the beach and, well, the beach path in 3, 2, 1. That's how quick it is. Alright, y'all, so we're at the beach. As you can see, it is very, 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 very times a million beautiful. Like, we have the mountains that I was showing you earlier over there, and then over here we have a cliff, and in front of us, beautiful, clear blue, pristine waters. Clean, clean, clean. Every time we come to this beach, it's like a private oasis. We have it to ourselves because not a lot of people come to this beach. And if they do, they're usually right in front of the hotel like we are right now, but those people, they're mostly lounging. Water, nice and blue and clear. There's boats out in the over there, and then there's houses over there. Like I told you, you can see the houses on top of the mountains over there. Just a beautiful, beautiful place. Family's already in the water. I'm the last one to join because I was just getting some footage. But now that I got my footage, I'm about to go hop in. Matter of fact, let's go see how they're liking the water. All right, party people, how's the water? Y'all, you can't beat this. Look at this water.
Look, you can see my hand.
You can see the feet in the water. Come on now.
White sandy.
What color is my nails?
You can see all that.
Look at this. You sand on my nails in the water.
I know.
In the water. No, you too big, man. You too big. What the Jesus?
Y'all, I'm about to put this camera up and go have fun. Look at this. This is like so peaceful. Like I said, the beach is empty, okay? Private oasis type of vibe. We go put this camera up. I'll get back with y'all once we are done here. Like Eddie said, I don't know what else we're doing today, but hey, as long as we do this, you know? So we'll see y'all in a few. Peace.
So we're in a supermarket.
We just came from the beach.
We just came from the beach. We're just coming to get some snacks and stuff. So follow me. Let's switch it up a little bit in here. I always like to get kurma. I had got kurma last week, but it was stale. I don't know how to explain what it is either. Ingredients: flour, spices, margarine, sugar, milk, and oil. Y'all figure that out. I have to pick a good one because some of them look burnt. And then I want to get a roti. And that's it.
You want to get a guava cheese too?
I do.
Yeah. They all got a bunch of sugar at the bottom. I don't want that one.
They got fudge. Ginger fudge. Milk fudge. I don't like fudge, but spicy ginger fudge. Cocoa fudge. Should I get one and try it?
Yep.
I'm gonna get the milk fudge.
I gotta get one of
We have
these
a
to bring back to
coconut
Dusty.
I'll do a coconut and a milk fudge. And some kurma, and then we're gonna go outside and get a roti.
Alright, y'all, we back. So let me give you the rundown of what happened. Came from the beach. Remember yesterday we told y'all about the sun and how that's affecting your sleep pattern. No, I think we told that to y'all this morning. Anyways, the sun is hot, so when you get out of the sun, you just want to sleep. The breeze is nice. So came from the beach, went to the supermarket, got some snacks, and then we went to get a roti. If you don't know what a roti is, you need to find some culture. If you're not gonna find no culture, then a roti is basically
Like a quesadilla, but a soft quesadilla.
like a burrito.
Burrito.
No rice, just
No cheese.
no cheese, no.
It's curried. It's either curried chicken, curried goat, curried shrimp. Any meat that you really want to curry,
Wrap
it in there like a burrito.
Yeah,
With
it's,
potatoes or whatever.
but it's. I'll show you a picture. It's hard to describe, but anyways, damn, I think I left my phone up there. I don't need it anyway. It's hard to describe, but if you know what it is, then it's not hard to describe. Anyways, I had a chicken. She had a goat roti. Delicious. Okay. Now, I think it's gonna rain for like 2 minutes again. It's a passing cloud. We're on our way to collect some stuff, and Lord knows where that will lead us. But as of right now, we're going down this way, the steps. As of right now, we're just trekking along. Just wanted to update you. Just wanted to update y'all. We was gonna try to take a nap, but as soon as we laid down, we was told that yeah, things is moving, so we just had to go hop in the shower real quick, dressed up, and we on the move again. We at the other room with the star of the show.
Hi guys.
And the other star of the show.
Now she gonna pretend like she ain't here. Oh, hey.
You know, see dumpling? They have been very pot there. I will talk to get him. Pane? I was like, they don't want to come out. Oh, I think you rolls. This one. There's this one.
That corn soup look like it real good, man.
Is it sauce? I will taste it from them.
I will taste it from them. I mean, if that pot big so and he nearly done.
Yeah, but it's full.
Oh, he doesn't fool it?
Some of them have I used to do it all depends on the season. Or maybe up to them.
You just make all along too?
No.
Oh.
I don't know so much I don't have help for that.
Something quick.
I could make it, but I don't get help. I have to really feel for the corn and everything. So, when I go home in the evening time, I can't put my hand in the ice. So I could clean the chicken and the meat and everything and whatever. So that will be an next setback.
And nobody to help you?
Nope.
Oh man. Well, at least when you make the money, it's all yours.
Well, children, Papa, yours. Just
Oh.
I have so-called children.
Okay. Well, then they should be helping too.
Hi. What she say? Thank you, young man. Thank you.
Thank you. All right.
It was nice doing business, young ladies and young man.
Have a good one.
All of a blessed one.
Hi guys, so we are in Mama Can visiting cousins, aunts, great grands. I'm not exactly sure what they're burning, but they're burning something. Hello. They're burning something, as you can see. And it smells good, that's all I know. It smells great.
2 piles burning, music playing, grass cutting. Everybody.
It's a family affair.
The thing I like about it though is like family live close to each other, not too far away. Usually on the same land, but you know, live close together. So you guys, we are at a place called Container Park. Oh, it smells so good. Food all over. Alright, so we're just gonna walk around and see. Walk around, see what we want to eat.
Y'all, so let me tell y'all what I'm getting, right? Do not judge me when I say this. I'm trying 3 different sushis, okay? I'm gonna try the crazy roll and the lava roll. The lava roll, I was told it's a fan favorite. One of the girls that was getting food here, she said she likes it, so I said okay. And
What's in the lava roll?
It's deep fried, smoked salmon, cream cheese, crab stick, jalapeno, crispy flakes, teriyaki, spicy mayo, sriracha. You know, we gonna try it on. You're gonna try it on. And I got a classic California. So if the 2 others fail me, I can go to what I know. You know what I'm saying?
Wait, what's the other one you got?
Crazy roll.
And what's in that one?
Inside is the tempura shrimp, cucumber, and outside of it is tuna, salmon, avocado.
Okay, and you're excited for that one?
I'm more excited for the lava roll because everybody's hyping that one up.
Okay.
So
We'll see.
we'll see.
All right.
Let's see what's down there, guys. So this is like Turkish, Greek.
Yeah, this one.
What's this? Oh, coffee. Mocha spoke. Mocha Spooky. It's a coffee shop.
Ow.
You ain't see me standing up here, you think I'm that tall?
I was actually kind of shocked.
I'm seeing
didn't want to leave.
barbecue, but how you get upstairs?
You gotta go up there's a step. There's a step. Oh, there's stairs right there. Yeah, there's stairs up there.
Oh, alright, come on, let's go check it out.
Outside's up there.
So right now we're gonna go check out Varsity Sports Bar, the Smokehouse Barbecue. There's the steps on this side too. Yeah. There's a store in here. Y'all, all these things are built inside containers, which is super cool. Yeah. And there's water over there. Now we gotta come back in the daytime, y'all. There's water over there too. We gotta come back in the daytime. Upstairs at the sports bar. Wrestling on the TV.
Oh, they got games.
We got
Oh, and
Jenga,
swings.
Jenga, swings. So if y'all come to Grenada, this is the spot. This is the spot. This is downstairs where we just came from. I'd like to see a menu. Yeah, we're gonna have to come back. Oh, we could. We could try it out. We could try it out. Oh, they got everything in here.
Yeah, well, at least you get, oh my God. Your gauge. These are See you later.
$7 a box.
Nice and bright.
Yeah, the lighting in here is perfect.
It's like they have like all the American stuff.
For all the students.
And I guess, yeah, for the students, feel at home.
Yeah.
I don't know why the students need baby food, but hey, no judgment.
Might have a baby as a student.
They literally have everything here.
Yep.
Dog food,
You got frozen chicken, Celsius, energy drinks.
steak, beef, burger.
What drink you getting from the bar? Hello?
Dragon puffs.
Plantain chips.
You want a drink or you want a shot?
I'll take the drink.
What kind of drink?
Something calm, not too crazy.
Turning up early, huh?
You want vodka, tequila, or rum?
Tequila. Something calm. I'm not a drinker, y'all, so I don't do that whole alcohol business. But just
What are
every
they
now and then,
drinking? I'm not drinking coffee right now. How she got a drink and we're supposed to be going to the bar?
I don't think she wanted something hot. She wanted
With a straw something or something?
Oh, Trisha? I think she meant mine.
Trisha, what is that? We going to the bar. We going to the bar.
You know Trisha love a drink. But I have to get a cold drink. This is chai.
This is white chocolate mocha. Oh my God.
What is it?
White chocolate mocha.
White chocolate.
She never had it.
Babe,
It's hot.
you don't see that
It's hot.
cup? That's a hot cup, you know. I wish I got you on camera.
What's this?
A cold chai tea latte with vanilla, with 4 pumps of vanilla. Give it back.
Okay.
Mommy, I shipped already.
That's good.
I know, Travis. I make drinks all the time.
Sherry, that's really good.
You ever had a chai there?
Yeah, Sherry is really good.
You don't like it? It's just regular tea.
No, Sherry.
I have 4 pumps of vanilla in it.
No, let you take another pick of the thing.
I do it.
No. And it's full. I should have get that.
That's all right.
No, it's that get hot.
Your first drink?
Of what? This is not my first drink.
Oh, just asking.
Drinking since she was like 12.
Yeah, she's an alcoholic. Alcoholic.
No, not true.
Call a lab. What you getting?
Malibu with pineapple juice.
Ooh, nice. That's a nice one. I think I'm trusting Siobhan with my drink.
Get what I'm getting. It's good.
What?
It's sweet. It tastes like juice.
Yeah.
Malibu, it tastes like a.
Because Malibu is sweet and the pineapple juice is sweet.
said she wants tequila.
No, but I don't know. So
Tequila and I don't know. People just take tequila for shots.
right. Tequila, you don't really get it in the drink. It's more of a shots than.
I would watch that drink with it, but I ain't sober, so I can tell you that.
Oh wow, you're definitely like in our business.
Oh my god. These questions
I know
are
I
very
can.
Make someone like this in a minute.
Or lemon drop.
very good.
I love lemon drops.
I'm getting a lemon drop.
Oh my god, I love lemon
I'm gonna get a
drops.
lemon drop.
It's
It's
just
good.
get it.
So I just.
Wait, that's sweet. Wait.
Why don't you just get that? What do you want to sip?
You want to try it? It's sweet.
So I just open my mouth. Do you want to sip or do you want to?
Can you?
Okay, she want to sip.
Can I have a lemon? 3 lemon drops.
Thank you, bro. What you order?
A lemon drop.
Okay. To get her food.
You don't like it?
Whoa.
Oh my. So you're not a drinker?
She's not.
That's
Really
why,
not.
okay.
Really not. See, this was my, you know, to wash it down.
She just had a
after the shot.
Shirley temple.
Aww,
Yeah.
a virgin?
That's okay.
Yeah, she's like, oh, you poor thing. We're like on the opposite scales of drinkers. She doesn't drink at all, and I'm just like, yeah. I have like rivers and things as I wash it down after a shot.
All right.
So
That's
we're on opposite
dangerous.
ends. We're on opposite ends. You're a pro.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
nah. You wild. You a wild boy.
So it be sometime. You want another shot?
No.
No.
How was that?
Alright.
You like it?
Yeah. That was too crazy.
Yeah.
I thought it was short.
Huh?
I thought it was short.
You don't find out that? I could make you something stronger, bro. Just put the base of that with rivers instead.
Hell no. I ain't trying to die. I have to drive home. Are you mad? I need to see the goal. My birthday.
See this video?
Lemon drop. Thank you. No, I am okay.
That is for you.
All right, you ready?
She not shopping.
No, I am. I might as well.
No peer
Maybe
pressure.
something to eat that old, you know, just to bring her the raw fish.
Yeah.
They calling it because it's all the way.
Oh, do you not doing it?
No, I don't drink, yo.
Exactly.
So it's a lemon drop shot.
Whatever you want to do.
Y'all look great.
Ready? Happy birthday!
That's how you take a shot.
Oh, that was really good.
That was good.
Right? That was good.
Card or cash?
Cash.
It'll be 20. I'll give it over for you.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, that.
Like juice.
What would you rate it out of 10?
It tastes like lemonade.
Yeah. She right there. She
Give me one.
Not she me one.
Oh, yeah.
Hi guys. Hey, my sushi is ready. Come guys. This is the crazy roll.
Okay.
What's the sauce? And it's probably still recorded too.
See them hot?
Yeah.
They're not taking shots no more. They're taking shots. They were taking shots.
I don't know what this is.
In California, what California crazy and something. Look at the paper
Hey, how
here.
many sushi you got?
Look at the paper here, right?
3?
She said just 3 like it's nothing.
Yeah, I think this is the lava roll. This is the California, and this is the crazy.
I just remember my phone.
So
It was
y'all
stuck on
put
it.
But it was recorded, so whoever would have taken it would have been on camera.
Right.
It's yours.
Yeah, but like,
That's a lot of food. I didn't think it was gonna be this much. It's usually like 3 pieces. Wait, which one is this? Lava. California? Yeah. And then what's that one? Crazy. Okay. I'm gonna taste it. Lava roll.
Oh gosh. Wow, okay, this is big. It doesn't taste like sushi.
What does it taste like?
It tastes like a sandwich.
Okay.
It's like a good sandwich. You gotta move over.
Yeah, it's not bad. Would you recommend it to somebody? Oh wow. You're going in.
You guys can take it from me.
Go ahead.
This is the yeah.
What is on the California cream sauce?
Tobiaco or whatever it's called.
The butcher? It does taste like a sandwich. On a scale from 1 to 10.
This?
Yeah.
I give it an 8.5. It's a little spicy.
Would you recommend it to somebody?
Yeah. I like it. It's just a lot of filling.
What about this one, right?
Regular sushi, 10 out of 10. Tastes exactly like what it's supposed to be. And this,
What's the sauce on top of it?
I don't know, Tobioko, but I don't know what that is though. And this one,
Japanese mustard.
this is the
Japanese
crazy
mayo,
part. So let's taste this.
That's the crazy.
Wow, that's really good. It's different meats.
It looks like you have crab and something.
What was in this one? Crab?
No, I have to press that.
No, it's recording already.
What Ren? You
Japanese mayo.
Japanese mayo?
Trevor, come and try it.
Yeah.
It's good.
She said this one is good.
Shama, what do you have upstairs? You went upstairs? Upstairs, right here. Oh, yeah, what about you?
That one is so good.
Oh,
You want sticks? I don't even want sticks.
which one? This one is
What's
good.
this?
This one is the volcano. Is it volcano?
Yeah. No.
No, this is crazy roll. No, this is sorry.
Crazy. This is lava.
Lava roll, California, and crazy rolls.
It's
And I
good,
still-
but I don't like hot sushi. I like fried sushi.
Okay.
This is deep fried.
So taste this one, chefs.
I like this one better. Which one?
This one. Crazy.
Yeah, crazy.
This is the crazy roll.
After you've done the variety.
Very red this one.
So much.
Yeah, it's a lot.
But is it good?
I got a little wasabi on that.
Nah, I like California.
I like one with a little wasabi. I gotta at least taste my noodles.
They nearly killed my husband, okay?
He had to kill himself because he wanted to mix everything together. Like,
Everything.
what he mix?
Wasabi and
It's good, but it's just so thick.
wasabi is a
And I don't
very
like fried
peppery
sushi.
stuff.
He was fucking the back of
And I don't like California.
It was so funny. People are mommy. She was in the room. She was like,
She didn't even care.
Okay, this one, like Ray said, it tastes like what it's supposed to taste like. California. Good. Okay. Let's do this one. You know the sushi? I never had it, but I don't like the idea of raw fish. I don't know why. This one's
No, you have to eat it together.
I know.
What are you doing? She doesn't spoil anything, right?
Him?
This one?
Yes, Sherry, I believe in you. I believe
I'm not getting this.
Yes, Sherry. Stop. Proud of you.
Which one she ate?
This one is the cooked one.
What's that like a sandwich?
Yeah. And pepper too. Yeah. This one is really good for real. I'll take it, try it. This one is with chocolate.
Lava. It's so much. Like, you feel like you're gonna choke.
This is fried. So you have that crispy old
Can't even talk. It's so like much stuff.
It's thick.
It's not thick,
What is that?
Was it rice? That's a lot.
but it's fried. It has that sandwichy consistency, like a creamy consistency. Not bad,
Okay.
but if they don't tell you,
You could
sushi,
taste everything though.
If they don't tell you sushi, you don't know that's a sushi.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like they took the sandwich, cut it up.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
Okay.
So, but this too, you say that sushi. This, tasting it for the first time, the crazy one.
Yeah.
This one is. I could eat it again and again. Yeah.
Hey y'all, so we're still here at, what is it?
Container Park.
Container Park. So we got some barbecue wings, bourbon barbecue. Oh, it's fried. Okay, I didn't know it was fried, but whatever. This is the chicken. Bourbon barbecue.
We buy the container bar by SGU.
How was it? Not good? What do you for y'all?
There's too much breading on it.
Like how they used to make
It's
chicken
literally
back in the
fried
days.
chicken with sauce on it.
Oh, yeah.
This is fried tuna.
Yeah. This is tuna. No, this is tuna fish.
This is tuna.
Fried tuna. Ooh, that's hot. Yeah, that's tuna.
This is This is congri. This is Cuban national dish.
This is Cuba's
It's
national
fried
dish
pork
right here.
with
Fried pork
bean rice
with
with
beans
plantain.
and rice and plantain. That's actually pretty good.
It's good. This is my food.
Really good.
Shrimp fried rice.
This is mine.
Taste the fish with this.
Noodles
It's very nice.
with,
Yeah, but it's a very nice sauce.
Chicken.
This is the sauce that came with the fish. It's kind of all over
Put it
the
up here. Yeah, right there.
Be careful.
video, kind of all over the place. Sorry.
Yeah, this has been a day. But
Good, right? It's like a mango flavor.
I think it's like a mango chutney. I noticed that they like wooden utensils here.
Yeah, they don't use anything plastic. No plastic.
No
straw,
plastic is used here in Grenada, besides the bottles and the top.
And this they're phasing out too.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. When I was coming from my grandmother's funeral, we had bring everything, and the guy and the custom told us, he said, if you're coming for a funeral, we will let you pass, but in the future, no plastic.
Time to try. Shrimp fried rice. Let's try the rice. Oh, this is
paste and the frosting.
This that basmati rice. I hate basmati rice, but whatever.
No, you go to the picture.
It's alright.
I don't have a
I'm
fork,
biased
y'all.
because I don't like basmati.
Honey garlic noodles, y'all.
Smells good.
Okay. Now I'm gonna try the chicken and I'm gonna let y'all know for real. The noodles is definitely honey and garlic.
It also is definitely spaghetti noodles.
The chicken is a bit dry. But
It's fried,
okay.
I think. Is it fried?
It's okay.
It's not bad.
It's not bad.
Mine's not bad either. All right, y'all. You done? Oh. He's done. Why are you closing it back for? It's empty. What are you closing it back? I'm full. I guess I have food for tomorrow. You guys, it's the end of the night. This is where we conclude the video. You doing something else after this? Where you going?
I don't know.
Oh well, I don't care. It is 8:17. We spoke to you guys since what time? 7? 8?
This morning?
7 something this morning, I think. It was almost 8. Or it was 8. No, it was like 8:06. Yeah. So you've been with us for 12 hours today. 12 hours of footage. No, just joking. But guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely let us.
Hold on. This ain't the end of the trip.
No, it's definitely not the end of the trip, but it's the end of 2 days. Hey guys, so I did end the video, but I forgot I didn't try the fudge that we got from the supermarket on camera. So we have coconut fudge, milk fudge, and the kerma. I forgot to try for you guys. I already have on my pajama, so don't mind that. Okay, so we're gonna try the milk fudge first. Ingredients is sugar, milk, margarine, and I don't know what this other thing is. I am so sorry. I just yawned like that. But I'm tired. So he opened the milk fudge for me. Let's try it. I'm not a fudge person. I never really had fudge or cared to eat it. I think I tried it probably one time. But this fudge is hard. Is it supposed to be like that? Right. I could taste the milkiness. It tastes like literally milk and sugar. Like if you drink milk and sugar. It melts in your mouth. For some reason I thought fudge was chewy. No?
That's about cheese.
I thought fudge was chewy. This one is the coconut one. It's good though. But I feel like you can't eat this all at once. You gotta be really into sweet. Okay. It's not bad. Tastes like coconut. Like a milky coconut candy. But I can't eat this all the time though. And then we have the kerma. Looks like this. Looks like it's homemade. Doyle's Delight Kerma. This is a crunchy, I guess it's a crunchy snacks tonight. I like my Kerma crunchy. We had Kerma last week, and it was like stale. It wasn't crunchy. And then, y'all, my mother-in-law had this that she got. It's a fruit. What is it called?
Sweet apple.
A sweet apple.
Sugar apple, sorry.
Sugar apple. And you like crack it open. It's really soft. Is it dark? I hope you guys can see me. But you can't really see. Okay, there we go. That's what it looks like. And then you eat. You gotta like peel it. This is what it looks like. And it's a seed on the inside. You see it's a black seed inside. And smell the seed. It's sweet. Low-key tastes like a coconut, but not a coconut. Only annoying part of it is having to spit out all these seeds, but and it doesn't. It's called sweet apple, but sugar apple, but it don't taste like an apple, and it don't look like an apple. So why do they call it that, right? Why do they call it that?
I have no idea.
It's really good though. Something you watching your shows and you just pop and eat. But yeah,
It
y'all.
sure got a lot of health benefits to it too.
Probably. It's sweet, but it's not like you don't
Candy
feel.
sweet.
It's not like the canned fudge that I just tried. Sweet, but yeah, y'all. I just wanted to try that for you guys. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I need to retry the passion fruit because I tried to try it this morning, but I had just brushed my teeth, so it tasted sour. So I'm probably gonna taste that again if he cuts that up for me or break it up. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Try these things out. Don't be afraid to try these, I guess what they call it, exotic fruits. Don't be scared to try these exotic fruits. It tastes really good. To me, I can't eat all of them, but some of them so far, they're not bad. All right, guys? So don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you want to try next. Let me know if you ever tried this sugar apple, fudge, kerma, all the things. Let me know if you've tried it in the comments below. All right, guys? Thanks.